Would you girls like a little bit of freedom? Let's do it. Oh, girls!
Welcome to Life Was Ordinary. Subscribe.
Good morning, everybody. It is a beautiful day. It's a little windy, but that's okay. Here's the chicken coop. The last video you saw with the chickens, I hadn't had the metal roof on yet. Well, I got the metal roof on now, and it's doing awesome. It's keeping the rain out, it's keeping it dry inside. But today's a very exciting day for the girls. They're getting big. Last video you saw, they were just baby chicks, okay? Today, we're gonna open up the door and give them a little taste of freedom. But while opening that door, I'm gonna install a new automatic door that I've been sent from Farmlight. And we're gonna review it, we're gonna install it and show you how it works. Here's the Farmlight automatic chicken coop door. It's a fully programmable timer. It's got an adjustable light sensor. They do have a solar panel for this. I'm gonna just directly plug it in though with my install today. So let's open up the package and show you what's inside. Okay, here we go. Got this cardboard here, okay. We got a rain shield here. We'll get to that in a little bit. We got some information here. Scan Me. It's obviously for their app. Here's the instruction manual. Let me get back to all that. Got a little package of screws and tools here. Put that over here. Little power box here. Let's get this out of here. Hold on. Well, I can definitely say the first thing I notice, this thing is built very well. It's put together solid. This is not a cheap plastic lightweight door. This thing is solid, very heavy duty. Let's go ahead and get the instruction manual out and take a look at it. Okay, so I just opened the instruction manual here, and the first thing I noticed, page 2, it says video instructions. Go to page 2. I was wrong. That's not for an app. That's to show you a video on how to install it. So I'm gonna go check it out now. Okay, so now in the instructions, they want you to have at least 8.5 inches wide by 12 inches tall, okay? What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and, this is just thin plywood. I'm gonna beef up my side with some trim real quick before I put the door on. Okay, I got my hole drilled here and I fed the wire through. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna plug it in. Just like that. That way it's kind of out of the way. I'm gonna secure these wires up top here where I got it plugged in. Okay, I haven't programmed anything yet. Obviously I just powered it. So let's, I haven't read everything. I gotta read everything on this. So let's hit the test. How awesome is that? Very cool. This thing goes up nice and smooth. And I'm assuming we can hit test, it'll go down. Okay, when it closes, it lights up red. Let's test the sensor. Look at that. Right on. That way we don't hurt no birdies. So let's do it. Let's test it again. We're gonna hit test, let it go down. Oh, let's come get some fruit. Oh, You just saved my life. Thank you. Thank you. Okay, so again, I got my power cord running right through this hole here. It's going up. I got a little vent gap up there anyways. I'm gonna run the cord and secure it up here. And I'm gonna mount my plug right here. Plug it basically just like that. They send you this battery backup. It says backup for 3 days working. You put batteries in there and then you hook up that right here. So like you could install that right there. They give you sticky tape to put it to the wall and then you plug it in right there. Okay guys, that about wraps it up. I went ahead and read the instructions and programmed it. I did not go with a certain time. I went with the sunlight. When it gets dark, it's gonna close. And in the morning when it gets bright, it'll open. Now the cool thing about the programming is it has different levels. So, you know, depending on the brightness you want in the morning to open, it has a level, you know, 1 through 9, I believe. And then same thing with closing it at night. Huge shout out to Mitch from Farmlight. That guy's been awesome to deal with. His customer service is really, really good. He will communicate with you every part of your order. So give Farmlight a try. It seems like a really awesome company. They make a great product. And I think the girl's gonna be really happy. We need some dramatic music here. Where are we at? Come on girls, party time.